Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to talk about the error Mongo socket open exception opening socket. So this is an error I'm getting it when I'm trying to run the Spring Boot application using the command mvn Spring Boot run. So this is a simple application I have created using a Spring initializer and then I have used MongoDB as the database. So by default, uh, the application will expect a MongoDB to be up and running when you run the service. So you can see over here. So this is my code. Let me share it again. Okay, so this is my code, and you have this resources and application.properties. So this doesn't have any details, but if you go to the POM, it will show you the details of MongoDB. So by default, it is expecting a Mongo database to be running. And what are the details? So by default, the details is localhost. So it will try to connect to that application when you start it. So as you can see, the application is getting started, and then we are getting this error exception monitor thread while connecting to server, and then you can see localhost 27017. So 27017 is a port by default for MongoDB. So whenever you create a MongoDB instance, if you don't modify this is going to be the default port. And when you see these types of error uh, connecting to server and this port number, or you see something like MongoDB, so that means your MongoDB server is not up and running, the database is not up. So how do you make it up? You can download the MongoDB and the community server, and you can use this tool MongoDB Compass to test whether your connection is successful. So when I did that, uh, it was showing as successful. But if your server is not running, you can go and run this command mongod. So let me scroll up. There are a lot of logs reached to the beginning. So you can see this is a command I've run mongod, and this starts the MongoDB database. But if you don't have this MongoDB, or it is not working for you, you go ahead and check the path. Let me show you the path which I have. So first thing is the environment variables, and you have a variable as path. I'm just showing the path which I've added. So I have the Mongo database over here. I add the path till my MongoDB exe file. So that's till bin. So this is how you have to add it. And then once you have added, you do not use the same command prompt. You have to open a new command prompt and then just type this command mongod. It will start working, and then you just go ahead and restart the server. So how do I start it is use with this command mvn spring boot run, and then in the next execution you don't see any errors while connecting to the MongoDB. It also says uh, successfully connected to description, and then it gives you the address. uh, in my case it is a local host, but you can connect to a remote host as well. So this is one way to fix this issue, and let me know if this helps you, and I'll try to solve out the problem which you're having. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.